Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be comparing the TexPrint DT Heavy and DT Light sublimation papers, showing off what both papers can do at their best. If you enjoy our tutorial videos, live episodes, and all the other content that we produce here at Heat Press Nation, be sure to like this video and any others from us. And also, to keep up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to catch all the latest from us once it's out. Now let's get started. Two popular choices of sublimation paper are TexPrint DT Heavy and DT Light from Beaver Paper. While both papers have been optimized for specific sublimation printer systems and inks, they are each safe to use on any sublimation printer, regardless of the ink type. However, their results in printing certain types of images do vary from one paper to the other. Based on our results using a Sawgrass printer with Sublimation ink, TexPrint DT Light releases more of the gas sublimation dye onto the substrates than DT Heavy. And as you'll see in a moment, this has different effects on the final product. We've prepared a few substrates applied with these papers to specifically show how each paper reacts with a certain type of vibrant image. We'll start with a couple of 5x7-inch Chromolux photo panels, each one applied with the same photograph on each TexPrint paper. Notice how the two kids in the photo appear with more natural tones on TexPrint DT Heavy. While DT Light looks decent overall, the image does appear slightly oversaturated. Next up, we'll apply a small painterly graphic on a white 100% polyester t-shirt. The vibrancy of the darker colors is much stronger on DT Light, though DT Heavy does come rather close in appearance. Finally, here are a couple of 11-ounce Orca sublimation mugs with a wide vacation photo. It's worth noting that the difference between DT Heavy and DT Light is a bit more apparent on mugs than on flat substrates. But as you can see, each paper offers their own level of color saturation. When being used with Sawgrass and similar sublimation printers, TexPrint DT Heavy will produce finished products that closely represent your original artwork, which is usually preferred for photographs. TexPrint DT Light enhances the contrast and saturation of your images, which can really make bold, colorful graphics stand out. In terms of which TexPrint paper to go with, this will ultimately depend on what type of images or graphics you print the most, and the overall look that you wish to achieve. To learn more about sublimation paper or other sublimation tools and materials, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to get in touch with our My Expert representatives at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.